Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change cabin air filter 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee L, full guide. Locate the glove box release, remove contents, and lower the glove box carefully to access the filter housing. Remove the filter cover clips and slide out the old filter, noting airflow direction arrows. Clean debris from the housing with a cloth, insert the new filter correctly, replace the cover. Begin by opening the glove box fully, then detach the dampener arm so the glove box can hang freely without tension. Press the glove box side tabs inward and let it drop to access the cabin filter housing behind it. Release the small plastic clips on the filter cover, pull the cover off, and slide the old filter out gently, keeping it level to avoid scattering trapped dirt and leaves. Check the new filter for the airflow arrows and make sure they point toward the cabin before inserting. Slide the fresh filter into the housing evenly and replace the cover, snapping the clips securely back into place. Reconnect the dampener arm, close the glove box, and run the HVAC on high to confirm improved airflow and reduced odors. Replace every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or sooner in dusty conditions for best results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.